Another technique when creating these custom dashboards, especially in the elemental space, is to show differing time ranges in the same dashboard. So in order to define a time range globally, you can see at the top right here we have this time range picker. There are a number of quick options. You can also set custom between two absolute dates and times. However, you can also set it within the context of a widget. Let me show you. So we have a transcode completions widget here. Now if I just move myself, we can see that this is a simple data prime query. Get all of the transcode completed events indicating a transcode operation has been done, and then group them into 10-minute buckets, essentially render them out in a graph. Here's a question for you. Is this normal? What was happening yesterday? What was happening a week ago? Well, we can work this out by using the time-shifted operator as part of the data prime stack. So if I clone this particular line chart here, I can see here that I have the same query. It'll take a couple of seconds to load because, again, this is reaching out to customers archived, completely unindexed, looking in a couple of seconds to load the data. There you go. And obviously with the commensurate cost optimization associated with that. So you can see here that what I want to do is I want to say, suppose logs, time shifted, and let's do it by 24 hours. So now what I'm saying to the data prime engine is, hey, give me everything's the same about this query, but tell me what was happening at the exact same time 24 hours ago. So now what I'm saying is, how was this yesterday? How was this a week ago? How was this an hour ago? And so on. So if I see that now, I can call that transcode completions yesterday. I can then extend this even further depending on how much data I've got available to me. I can open this up and I can say, well, actually, maybe there's a better way of doing this. Maybe I can actually explore it further. I can say, well, okay, time shifted minus 7 days, for example. I can refresh that data, and that's going to go back a week, and it's going to go pull the data. So now I'm looking at, on the left, what happened in the time frame in which we were interested. On the middle, what happened yesterday, and then the next one is what happened last week. So this is a really, really, really nice way of visualizing different trends over time by selecting an hour range. So we're selecting the same hour, but today, yesterday, and a week ago. How does that differ? Are there any spikes there? Is there anything unusual going on here? So using this time shifting ability gives you an ability to access historical data and also operational data that's in the moment to give context to your insights. This is really, really important. Most streaming services have to deal with a background sort of hum of errors that are constantly going on. And this is a really nice way of isolating those errors and then getting a much deeper understanding of what's going on there. So, in summary, by using the time-shifted command in the data prime syntax, we were able to render the same query out over 3 different date time periods, only using the same one picker here. So we picked 1 hour, today, yesterday, and a week before, and in doing so, we got a really clear picture of what the trend is. This is just one of many use cases, but should hopefully get your imagination going about what can be done in this dashboard with some basic understanding of data prime and accessing the power of the custom dashboarding solution in Coralogix.